Hey there, welcome back. So this is Ramandeep Singh and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the 100 days of transforming your thinking in graphs series where we'll be solving the next problem in the series. The first problem was the warm-up problem where we found how to find a valid path in a graph starting from a particular node ending at another node. So we have a source node, we have a destination node, and we want to reach to the destination node starting from the source node. And you are just supposed to tell if you can really reach the destination or not. ठीक है. ठीक है. So in this video lecture, in this thing, we will be solving this problem, which is graph bipartite. So what does that mean? That means so there is an undirected graph with n nodes where each node is numbered between 0 and n minus 1. ठीक है. तो मेरे पास एक अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ है जिसमें हर नोड का कुछ नंबर है. वही अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ मतलब जिसमें एजेस की कोई दिशा नहीं है ना. दैट इज़ अ अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ. ठीक है. बाई डायरेक्शनल एजेस है. वी कैन से like I can move from node u to v and then from v to u as well. The nodes have been numbered from 0 to n minus 1 if there are n nodes. You are given a 2D array graph and where graph u is an array of nodes that node u is adjacent to. More formally, for each v in graph u, there is an undirected edge between node u and node v. So, so for every v in graph u, for every v in graph u, there is an undirected edge between u and node v. Okay, the graph has the following properties. There are no self edges. Graph u does not contain u. Self edge means the node points to itself. That is a self edge. There are no parallel edges. Graph u does not contain duplicate values. Means if graph u contains duplicate values, that means there are two edges from u to that v and then one more edge from u to that v. So there are no such edges. I'll explain every single point in the board. If v is in graph u, then u is in graph v. Simple. कि भाई अगर v जो है वो ग्राफ u में है, then you should also be in the graph v in order for the edges to be bidirectional या undirected. ठीक है. अगर एक में ही है तो इसका मतलब वो यूनिडायरेक्शनल है. मतलब अगर सिर्फ ग्राफ u में v एग्जिस्ट करता है, so there is an edge from u to v. There is no edge from v to u. ठीक है. A graph is bipartite. A graph may not be connected, meaning there may be two nodes such that there is no path between them. So it's not important that this graph is connected. There may be multiple separate components of the graph. ठीक है. If a graph is bipartite, if the nodes can be partitioned into two independent sets A and B, such that every edge in the graph connects a node in set A and a node in set B. So what is when do we call a graph is bipartite? Graph is bipartite if the nodes can be partitioned into two independent sets, set 1 and set 2, such that every edge in the graph connects a node in set A and a set B. Return true if only if it is bipartite. Zero 1 and then 1 3. 0 1 and 1 3. ठीक है. So we just have to partition the nodes into two parts. So we have a graph. ठीक है. We have a graph. It may not be connected. Has n nodes numbered from 0 to n minus 1. I want to partition it into. We want to partition the nodes into two parts, two sets, such that there is an edge. Every edge in the graph connects a node A. तो पहले सेट का एक नोड जो है वो दूसरे सेट के एक नोड से कनेक्ट होना चाहिए. दैट्स द रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है. दैट्स द रिक्वायरमेंट. फॉर इंस्टेंस लेट्स टेक दिस एग्जांपल 0 1 3 2. जीरो हिलने लग गया बोर्ड. 0 1 2 3. अब ये ग्राफ है मेरा. ठीक है. ये ग्राफ है मेरा एंड लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दीज पॉइंटर्स विच वी हैव बीन गिवन. सो देर आर नो सेल्फ एजेस. ग्राफ डज नॉट कंटेन यू. मीन्स देखो सेल्फ एज होता है कि अगर मैं यहाँ से यहाँ पे एज बना दूँ So there is an edge from 1 to 1. There is no such edge. ठीक है. Then the second thing is there are no parallel edges. There are no parallel edges. Parallel edges means there is only one edge from 1 to 3. There is no second edge from 3 to 1 or similar. ठीक है. Like 1 to 3 सिर्फ एक ही edge है. तो ग्राफ 1 को अगर मैं देखूँ तो इस एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट में मेरे पास क्या क्या होंगे. 0 होगा और 3 होगा. तो यहाँ पे 0 एक बार और नहीं आ जाएगा, एक बार ही होगा. दैट्स वाई वी आर सेइंग हियर कि देयर आर नो डुप्लीकेट. इफ वी इज इन ग्राफ यू, ये वाला पॉइंट भी समझते हैं कि अगर ग्राफ 1 में 0 है तो ग्राफ 0 में भी 1 होना चाहिए इन ऑर्डर फॉर 0 एंड 1 टू बी टू शेयर एज. तो अगर 0 और 1 को एक एज शेयर करना है, जैसे ये कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, तो इस तरह से कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होनी चाहिए. ग्राफ 1 में 0 होना चाहिए एंड ग्राफ 0 में 1 होना चाहिए इस लिस्ट में. दिस इज अ एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट. कूल है. एंड द ग्राफ may not be connected, so it is not important that we have a connected graph like this. There can be some nodes like 4, 5. This entire is also a graph of how many nodes? 6 nodes. The nodes are numbered from 0 to 5. Cool है. तो अपने को क्या करना है? We are supposed to partition these nodes into two parts. We are supposed to partition these nodes into two parts such that two independent sets, set A and set B, such that every edge in the graph connects a node in set A and node B in set B. तो मुझे इसे दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है सच दैट, जैसे मैंने इसको डाल दिया दो सेट में. सेट ए में कुछ नोड्स जो है, सम नोड्स शुड बी इन सेट ए and the rest of the nodes should be in set B, such that whatever the nodes I have in set A, whatever the nodes I have in set B, the node in set A should share an edge with node in set B, like this. ठीक है. ऐसा मतलब इनके आपस में कोई एज नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है. आपस में ऐसा नहीं कि सेट ए के अमंग एजेस है, नहीं, दिस इज नॉट अलाउड. दिस इज हाउ द ग्राफ आई वांट टू पार्टीशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड बाइपार्टाइट ग्राफ. ठीक है. अब देखते हैं क्या मैं इसमें कर सकता हूँ. तो मान लीजिए इसको मैंने बोल दिया सेट ए में है, या फिर इसको सेट ए मैं बोल दूंगा चलो ग्रीन कलर है. सेट ए सेट बी मैंने बोल दिया रेड कलर है. तो लेट्स कॉल इट रेड, लेट्स कॉल इट ग्रीन. तो 0 ग्रीन वन सेट ए में आ गया. देन लेट्स मूव टू द दिस नोड. सो दिस शुड बी इन सेट बी बिकॉज दे आर कनेक्टेड. नाउ दिस शुड बी इन सेट A, green. Then this should be in set red. So can we do it? Yes, so we can partition it. So we have partitioned this graph into two sets such that set A contains nodes 0 and 3 and set B contains node 1 and 2. So the answer for this is true. Let's take one more example for this bipartite graph. This example 0 1 3 2 और 0 2 में एज है. तो इस तरह से चीज़ें हैं. ठीक है. देयर इज एन एज हियर. तो अब यहाँ काम करते हैं कि इसको सेट ए में डालते हैं. देन दिस शुड बी इन सेट बी. देन दिस शुड बी इन सेट ए. देन दिस शुड बी इन सेट बी. अब यहाँ देख सकते हो कि देयर इज अ नोड अमंग द there is a edge among the nodes of set A. So this graph is not a bipartite graph, not bipartite. So we will return false for this. Write it down the new. ठीक है. So how are we going to solve this problem? Simple है. All we need is just a traversal of graph. Just think of it. If we can traverse the graph and label the nodes with two colors, with let's say color 1 which is 0 and color 1. So 0 is the color 1 and 1 is the color 2. And then we check if we find similar color adjacent nodes or not. Just traverse the graph and color it with the colors 0 and 1. So if I am assigning 0 color to a node, then its child should get a color of 1. And also keep checking while you are traversing whether you are like क्या कहते हैं, whether do you find a child and parent relation such that both have the same color. If child and parent have the same color, then you will return false right there. नहीं तो तुम ट्रू रिटर्न करोगे. ठीक है, डीएफएस मारते हैं इस पर. ठीक है, डीएफएस ट्रेवर्सल से हो जाएगा. तो हमारे पास एक नोड होगा, हमारे पास एक विजिटेड एरे होगा. ठीक है, हमारे पास एक ग्राफ होगा जो दिया हुआ है हमें. तो विजिटेड एरे में मैं क्या कर दूंगा, विजिटेड ऑफ नोड क्या कर दूंगा, एक कलर होगा. हाँ, एक कलर भी होगा. वो वी हैव वन मोर वेरिएबल विच इज़ कलर वेरिएबल. वी हैव वन मोर वेरिएबल विच इज़ कलर वेरिएबल. सो वी हैव कलर वेरिएबल एज वेल. ठीक है, तो कलर, वी गिव दैट कलर टू दैट पर्टिकुलर नोड एंड देन I traverse the child. For child in graph node. अब जैसे हम चाइल्ड को ट्रेवर्स कर रहे हैं तो मैं यहाँ चेक करूँगा इफ, तो अब देखो चाइल्ड को कलर करना है तो फिर चाइल्ड को भी तो कवर करना है ना. ठीक है, चाइल्ड को भी तो कवर करना है. तो वी हैड दिस ग्राफ, ये लेते हैं 0 1 2 3. एंड देन व्हाट आई से इज, ठीक है, इसको कर दो कलर, फिर यहाँ आए, फिर इसको क्या कर दो ग्रीन कलर, फिर यहाँ आए, फिर इसको क्या कर दो रेड कलर, फिर यहाँ आए, इसको क्या कर दो ग्रीन कलर. इस तरह से. सो दिस सेट हैज़ 2 0 2 एंड दिस सेट हैज़ 1 3. सो 0 2 1 3, वन सेट एंड दिस सेट सेकंड सेट. ठीक है, समझ आ गया. एनीथिंग वी कैन से हियर. ठीक है, तो स्टार्ट डीएफएस हियर, गिव इट सम कलर. So let's say I could give it a color 0. Now change the color to 1. Come here and give it some color. So let's give it 1. Come here. Now also check, this is unvisited, this was unvisited when I came from here to here, and I again called the same DFS function here. So what does this DFS function returns? So DFS of node tells me if the graph, let's say starting at node, is bipartite or not. तो अगर 0 यहाँ पे रेड दिया, यहाँ पे ग्रीन दोगे, तो मैं जो बचे हुए ग्राफ के लिए भी चेक करूँगा whether it is bipartite or not. If the बचा हुआ ग्राफ bipartite, then this is green and this is red, then this entire graph is also bipartite. That's what I'm saying, trying to do. If there is a child in graph node which is also not visited, so if visited of child contains, let's say -1, it's not visited, then what I'll do is I'm gonna say okay, I'm going to call this DFS same, and if the DFS returns false, then if the DFS returns false for the child graph visited. Or since I colored the parent, this node, with this color, then let's say if this is 0, then I have to switch it to 1. If it is 1, then I have to switch it to 0. So what I do is, the color which I want to give to the child would be 1 minus the color which I had for the parent. Okay? So this was, if parent had color 0, then 1 minus 0 would give me 1. If parent had the color 1, then 1 minus 1 would give me 0. So if this returns false, means the graph which starts at this child is not bipartite. So this means this entire graph is not bipartite. So I will return false. Okay? And if it is visited, if the child is visited, then I have to check if child has the same color as the parent. So this, what does this visited array does? Visited array is initialized, is of size n, initialized with -1. Okay? Now for any particular node, visited of node is 0 or 1 after visiting that node. If this node has a color 1, then it contains 0. If it has a second color, then it contains 1. Okay? If it is not colored yet, then it contains -1. So that's how this visited array is working. So if visited child is same as the visited node, then I will again return false. ये हो गया. नहीं तो फिर यहाँ से रिटर्न क्या कर दूंगा मैं, ट्रू. So that is how things are working. What is the time complexity? Big of n. ठीक है, because TFS मार रहे हैं हमने. Cool है. So that's all for this one, and let's jump to the code implementation part. चलो ठीक है, तो चलो आते हैं. कलर होगा, and then we will have node graph color. What else do we have? Node graph color. Yeah, visited area. So visited of this node would be true for child in graph node. ठीक है. If visited of child contains -1, then if not DFS child graph visited color 1 minus color, तो रिटर्न कर दूंगा false. If visitor of child is same as visitor of node, return false, return true. ठीक है. So that's how things are working. We have this visitor node, we have this child, and then if visited child is -1, and if the graph with this child is not bipartite, then this entire graph is not bipartite. Otherwise, if visited child is same as the visited node, then return false. Why? Because yeah, and then we will return true here. ठीक है. So let's create a visited array. So let's first create n, which is length of the graph. Then let's create a visited array. Then what do we हर नोड से शुरू करूँगा, हर नोड से DFS मार के चेक करूँगा वेदर इट इज़, तो अगर i 0 से लेके n तक है तो मैं फॉर लूप, सॉरी नॉट लाइक दिस, फॉर रेंज n, तो if not self dot dfs start from that node with the graph, with the visited, with the color. So if it is the case, then if I find something which I cannot, let's say cannot color, so what I am doing here, I am trying to make a DFS. So why I am doing this is that the graph can also be, since I know the graph is all can also be disconnected. I can have a graph like this particular part, then I can have something like this. So here out of this thing, I can also have something like this, 4, 5. So what to do about it? Once I like perform DFS over this, then I also have to perform DFS over this second component as well. I cannot leave it altogether. So for that reason, I am using this particular loop such that every single node is visited. So if not self.dfs, so if this node is not visited, that means if this node is not visited, if visited of I is equal to -1, then I perform the DFS there, and if it returns false, then return false, otherwise return true. So what is the problem here is we are using this else block here. We should use it here. Like if not visited, then check if child and the parent has the same color or not. If they have, then return false. Rest is good, and let's try to submit it. Accepted. So that's all for this video, and I hope you learned something out of it. And if you have really loved solving this problem with me, then you should try this as well. Divide nodes into maximum number of groups, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.